Hello everyone, welcome to Listenimran channel. This is MD Imran Khan. Today's video topic is, do you need doctor in the future? Advancement in technology have brought about many changes in various industries, and healthcare is no exception. With the development of telemedicine, artificial intelligence and other tools, many people have started to wonder whether doctor will still be needed in the future. In this video, I will explore the role of doctor in healthcare and whether they will continue to be necessary in the future. So let's start the video. Doctor plays a crucial role in healthcare by diagnosing illness, developing treatment plans, and providing ongoing care to patients. They also perform surgeries and other procedures that help to restore and maintain health. The training and expertise that doctors bring to the table are essential to ensuring the patient receive the best possible care. Despite advances in technology, the human body remains complex and difficult to understand. There are many medical conditions that are still not well understood, and new health issues are constantly emerging. This complexity means that there will always be a need for medical professionals who are trained to diagnose and treat these issues. Advancement in technology. While technology has revolutionized many industries, it has also had a major impact on healthcare. Telemedicine, for example, has made it possible for patients to receive medical care from the comfort of their own homes. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are being used to develop new treatments and improve exciting ones. However, these advancements are being used to support doctors, not replace them. The doctor-patient relationship. One of the most important of healthcare is the doctor-patient relationship. This relationship is built on trust, empathy, and a shared commitment to improving the patient's health. Doctors who listen to their patients, understand their concern, and involve them in decision making are more likely to achieve better health outcomes. In conclusion, doctors will continue to play a crucial role in healthcare in the future. The complexity of the human body and the continued emergence of new health issues means that there will always be a need for medical professionals who are trained to diagnose and treat these issues. While technology will continue to play an increasingly important role in healthcare, it will support, not replace, the doctor-patient relationship. Human empathy, institution, and expertise always be an important component of medical care, and doctors will continue to be essential in ensuring that patients receive the best possible care. Thanks for watching this video.